Hello friends. Welcome to your own channel Library Facts. Today, we're going to talk about a very important and often overlooked concept, redundancy of information. What does it mean? Why does it happen? And how does it affect libraries and information systems? Let's understand it all in detail. What is redundancy? Redundancy means repeating the same information unnecessarily. It happens when the same content is stored or presented multiple times, without adding new value. This repetition causes confusion, wastes space, and impacts the quality of information systems, especially in libraries and databases. We can understand with simple example. Imagine you find two catalog records in a library for the exact same book. That's not just duplication, it's information redundancy. This clutters the system, wastes time, and makes it harder for users to locate the right resources. In databases, redundancy occurs when the same data is stored in multiple places. For example, saving a user's email ID repeatedly in different tables. This not only uses more storage, but also creates inconsistency when updates are made. Redundancy in libraries leads to various problems. Duplicate bibliographic records, confusing search results, and difficulty in accessing accurate resources. It reduces the efficiency and reliability of the library system. When users keep encountering repeated entries or similar results again and again, they get frustrated and lose trust in the system. The more the redundancy, the more the space required. Unnecessary data eats up digital storage and slows down processing. This becomes a big challenge for digital libraries and online repositories. The same data is stored in multiple places and only one version is updated. There's a high chance of data inconsistency. This leads to errors in reports, citations, and research. If a single book is entered multiple times in the catalog with slight differences, it becomes hard to identify the correct version. This kind of cataloging redundancy damages the usefulness of OPAC systems. Metadata helps describe resources, but when metadata entries are repeated, they lose their value. Instead of making search easier, they cause confusion and clutter. Redundancy directly affects data accuracy. When users are unsure which record is valid, they may end up citing or using incorrect sources. This especially harms academic and research credibility. Redundant data can sneak into research unknowingly. This affects the quality and originality of the research. Therefore, researchers must use verified and unique sources to maintain integrity. If the same document is stored under multiple names or versions in archives, it causes redundancy. This inflates storage unnecessarily and hampers search accuracy. Data normalization is a technique to reduce redundancy in databases. It structures data in a way that prevents repetition and inconsistency. It's widely used in library management systems. Deduplication means identifying and removing duplicate data. Modern library software can automatically detect repeated entries and merge or remove them. This improves system speed and data quality. OPAC systems should be kept clean and free from redundant entries. Otherwise, users see the same book multiple times under different listings, making their search experience poor. Proper training of library staff on cataloging standards and data entry can minimize redundancy. Staff should be encouraged to check for duplicates before adding any new entry. Sometimes manual checks are necessary, especially in older systems where redundancy may not be caught automatically. Regular audits and cross-checking help maintain database integrity. Today, AI and machine learning tools can help detect redundancy in real time. They flag duplicate entries, suggest corrections, and make the system cleaner and faster. A great step for smart libraries. Using linked data and authority control can prevent duplicate entries in catalogs. It ensures one unique record is connected across platforms. Maintaining authority files for authors, subjects, and titles prevents redundancy by creating consistent entries. It ensures clean data across records. Libraries using shared cataloging systems like OCLC or Koha can avoid redundancy by reusing verified records. This saves time and keeps databases lean. To avoid redundancy, heavy checkmark use deduplication software. Heavy checkmark train catalogers. Heavy checkmark perform audits. Heavy checkmark apply data standards. Heavy checkmark automate checks with AI. It's not just about duplicate records, it's about data quality, user experience, and trust. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Library Facts. Thank you.